So Apple has finally made a 15-inch MacBook Air, and I have to say, for all those MacBook Air fans, this is going to be an amazing laptop. So MacBook Airs are amazing. I also have a MacBook Air 13-inch, the M1 version, and I have to say I have been enjoying this machine, and Apple coming out with the 15-inch version is amazing. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that this is exactly the same thing as the M2 MacBook Air 13-inch with just a bigger screen and maybe a bigger battery. But this is for all those people who want a thin and light machine which has a bigger display. So say you're someone who's working on Excel a lot, you do loads of PowerPoints, but you want a bigger display but a laptop that's thin and light. And for people like those, this is the laptop that you have to buy. This starts at $1299. I mean, it's not the cheapest, of course, but considering the amount of power you get with M2 and with the 15-inch version, of course, you're going to get more cooling space, so better thermal efficiency. When you consider all that, then I think this should be a really good deal. So buy this product only if you want a bigger machine with a thin profile and a really good CPU. With that said, thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.